Hey, my name is Matt. This is our first intro video of Heartland Homestead. Colin and I had an agreement. So when he finished this school year, his sophomore year in high school, if he did well, I would let him do a revive and drive. So he did well. I have to then, being a good father, do a revive and drive. And we chose a place. We chose Salt Lake City.
Hmm.
Um, I can't really say it was a good idea, the whole salt thing, but we're looking for a vehicle. I think we're going to look for something from like a 1970 to maybe 1990 type vehicle, something that we could easily find parts for. To that reason, a lot of people asked, hey, what kind of major brands you're looking for, what vehicles you're looking for, blah, blah, blah. The best I can tell you is we're looking for GM, Ford, Dodge, kind of in that order. Not really because we're brand specific. We don't care if it's manual, automatic, diesel, gas. It doesn't really matter to us. But we're looking for the ease of finding parts because we have about a 1,700-mile trip home. I have a lot of plans. He has some plans. We're going to try to survive each other over 10 days driving home. And
Yeah.
I think hopefully between us, we'll be able to, one, make the vehicle work, two, hopefully keep it working long enough to get between our various stops, or at least to a service station or something like that, a parts store, and finally, not kill each other on the way home. So that's kind of what we're talking about. My name's Matt. Tater, Dad, depends on his mood, my mood, and that's Colin. So welcome to Heartland Homestead.